What's up on the TXP-Net 10, also known as the TXP-Network? This is your 2014 update. Sorry for the forgetfulness, but nonetheless, we have a lot of things going on. First off, we'll just start off with the social media and connections. Our oldest one happens to be CNET. And when it comes to CNET, I have to say it's very, very reliable. Keeps you in the loop with technological stuff. If you want to know more about it, just go on to cnet.com and you'll be able to check out all the latest in software and hardware news. I mean, it's very expensive, believe me. I happen to have one, and I suggest it to you guys for a reason. Now, next one we have here is another one. It's a forum, coding forum to be exact. Rotahab. Rotahab is a good resource for any of you who are into coding and actually need people to not only help out with maybe fixing errors here and there, but also it's a good community in general for learning. And another coding forum that I have here is CodeCall. CodeCall is extremely well made, if you ask me, and it's really cool. I've used it and I've received answers on almost every single question that I've asked, and it's also very reliable, if you ask me. It also happens to have a really good atmosphere and also very good has really good users also that can actually help with answering questions of different and various types. It's extremely expensive also and covers a lot of languages. I've asked C++ questions on there. I've asked questions about HTML. It goes the full 9 miles if you ask me. So it's a good thing to have a codecall.net account. And if you don't already have one, go on and get one. Another account that I have here is a Dream and Code account. I log into Dream and Code with Google, but nonetheless, Dream and Code is also another good resource. It's good for looking up a lot of things. I can't really go into detail about it here because, well, there's a lot of things to talk about. It's extremely expensive. From here, we have some of our more development tools-based resources. Mbed is spelled M as in the letter M, B-E-D. That is an online compiler, and you can use that. It has a really cool GUI. It looks almost like an actual application window, and also actually acts, I believe it acts as a C++ compiler also. Also probably has a couple of other built-in languages. I haven't explored it much yet, but nonetheless, I have it featured on the TXP-Network site for all the users out there to experiment with. I think it's a really good resource. Another one that I found out over time with development is GitHub. GitHub's extremely good and allows for you to actually share and also develop your code online. Now, for more information, just head on down to github.com. I have multiple repositories there if you really want to take a look. I also have a compiler, that's spelled C-O-M-P-I-L-R. Compiler is an online code development environment and also compiler. I think, yeah, they have resources for C#, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java. They have all types of stuff. That's another extensive resource. Believe me, it's good. Now, if you want to use external libraries, I don't know how to help you with that, but nonetheless, you could probably do that somehow on Compiler. You'll probably just have to include the header files and stuff like that with your project. Once again, I've not looked into that, but nonetheless, it's an extremely good online resource if you are crunched for time or space, or you don't have time to actually get an actual compiler on your computer. Compiler is the way to go. Mbed, the way to go. Now, of course, I also happen to have an Uber conference. Uber conference will soon allow for me to actually do video and web conferences over the internet with my affiliates that I'm slowly but surely building up more and more of. I currently do not have many affiliates helping me with building the operating system, but I do have a couple of friends that I know. I'm not, of course, going to mention any names, but nonetheless, Uber Conference is probably the way to go. It's a free resource and also can actually, I think it does HD video. Don't quote me on that, but nonetheless, you can go down, check out Uber Conference for yourself. I think that's decent. And from there, yes, Minecraft forum. I also happen to have a Minecraft forum. Minecraft forum I can approve of. It's a pretty good social atmosphere. Pretty good Minecraft resource also. But I don't go in there often. I don't really make many posts. So if you're looking for some place where I constantly update, you don't really need to go to Minecraft forum because I don't tend to go there. But if you want to look for something related to Minecraft skins, the Skindex is the way to go because they have an extremely expensive skin, as in Minecraft skin database. And Nova Skin also has a pretty large amount of Minecraft skins on there too. It just so happens that I've posted Minecraft skins to both sites. So if you want to see skins from there, just check it out there. From there, that's pretty much our social media update. Used to have a Stack Exchange, but currently it is closed down due to the fact that I did not find the Stack Exchange to be an especially helpful resource. Um, Besides that, oh yes, now it's time to talk about our operating system updates and stuff like that. First off, I've been discussing getting a Google Code page with some of my affiliates, and I haven't exactly finished up the discussion yet. So if you, the viewer, want to have a say in this, go on and leave a comment or a concern in the comment box below the YouTube video. Just go in and say whether or not you think that we should get a Google Code and tell why. And also, by the way, if you didn't hear from earlier, we already have GitHub repositories. So don't know if we really need to get a Google Code page, but nonetheless, if you think so, just go and give us a good reason why, tell us, and well, we'll see if we can. Besides that, it's now time to get to that nitty-gritty part, the operating system guts. First off, I've been looking into it, and I've posted some things to my Dropbox, and I'm going to see if I can try to share them by the end of the week. These things have to do with how the applications will be run in the operating system. Now this relates to CGI scripting in C++ and also external libraries. So therefore, if any of you know what CGI scripting and C++ actually have in common, well, you can just go on and scan our code and just leave a comment, tell us what you think. It's something new in development. I found some stuff around on the internet, especially at GitHub. GitHub's just an epic resource. And I found some C++ code that can actually allow for me to execute the .cgi C++ scripts locally on my computer. So just looking into some cool stuff. Not only that, but also I've been brushing up on NetWide Assembler, C, as in the actual original C. And about that, NetWide Assembler is the primary language that's used to write the bootloader for the operating system. So if you know NetWide Assembler, and if you have any suggestions, just drop a comment in the comment box below. Most of our code is posted online, so if you want to see some of our code, just make a request, or just head down to GitHub, head down to the Dropbox links that I posted on Facebook. I have these links posted all around on social media. So if you can find them, you can find our code. I have the code currently posted on Dropbox, GitHub, Compiler, and I believe one other place. But I do not tend to post updates often because of the fact that everything is still in dev, and therefore it's not exactly final. I've also been getting recently into C++ thread handling, stuff like that. So soon I'll be able to get everything properly coordinated so I can actually control all the system processes through C++ threads. No, not P threads. I'm not using 132 API. I'm actually using C++. Now, anyway, I've also been brushing up on my PHP, and I'm working on a forum. So if you really want to, have some hand or say in the development of this PHP-based forum, just drop a comment in the YouTube forum right below, and we'll listen, and we'll see what we can do. Besides that, check out Meandering Mind and see if you can drop any comments there also, because I tend to check that on a regular basis. Besides, Meandering Mind is in need of some use. It has been touched in like ages, and I haven't been seeing many posts there lately. But nonetheless, if you're interested, just tell us what you're good at, and we'll... Oh. It appears as though it is time for me to roll out, but nonetheless, TXP-Network signing out. Oh! I almost forgot something. Minecraft. Guys, some of my affiliates, well, don't know how to say this. We've been thinking about a new Minecraft team. Non-profit, no money making whatsoever, just for fun. I've been thinking about an idea, and the idea that I come up with is something called Team Carbon 64. The nickname for it would be Team Smelted. Now, of course, this may sound like a Team Crafted, but no, it isn't. It's more so, it's supposed to be just a fun Minecraft group. Now, the concept is it's going to be pretty much just a group of Minecrafters that get together. We do video reviews and stuff like that. But I came to you guys, you the users, because I wanted to see what you thought about it and wanted to see what you wanted to know, what you wanted to see in a video, and also what type of stuff you want us to support. We currently have Minecraft servers, as in me. I currently have Minecraft servers for version 161, 172. Oh my goodness, I started again. We currently have servers for 171, 172, 164, and 1.5.0 for PC. And for Minecraft Pocket Edition, we also have Minecraft servers for, I believe, 161 Alpha, 171 Alpha, and 175. We sadly haven't updated to 8.0, 8.0, and 8.1 because of the fact that there aren't many mods available. The thing is, the servers that I have, they're supposed to be available for mod testing and also for map testing. The thing is, though, I'm the server OP on most of these servers, and I need certain mods in order to be able to actually effectively operate these servers and to enforce, griefing rules, whatever, etc. I don't play Minecraft modded because, oh, I like to. It's only for server OP functions. So therefore, for example, if I don't have a flight and survival function, well, I'm not going to be I'm not going to have the ability to act as server OP effectively. Now, I know that may sound weird, so if you want to actually ask a question about that, I'll answer, and I'll even see if I can show some of the progress I've made in actually trying to manage the servers effectively. Currently, these servers are sadly not 24/7, but nonetheless are worth it. And I've actually tested some of the servers for how well they would do as 24/7. The Minecraft PC server, I don't think can be 24/7 because of how memory intensive it is with the RAM and processor usage and all. But the Minecraft Pocket Edition servers could be run for 24/7. So if you want to know more about that, I'll try to post more information here on YouTube as it comes. For some reason, I've been having a hard time trying to post stuff to Minecraft forum, so therefore I've decided to kind of not post things to Minecraft forum just to avoid the errors and all, just to make things easier. But if you guys think that there's anything that I should include, such as different mods and stuff like that, just drop a line and I'll see if we can actually use those different mods on the server. Keep in mind that we're only using specific versions of Minecraft. We currently do not have any Minecraft snapshot servers for the 1.8.1 and 1.8 snapshots of Minecraft PC. Oh, and by the way, 1.8 and 1.8.1 are now using the new Minecraft skin formats. Just go ahead and check that out on Minecraft forum. But anyway, guys, well, that appears to be about it for 2014's first video. This is TXP-Technologies signing out. And for more information, just head on down to the TXP-Network site in our channel description. TXP, signing out with style.
Bye!